I am studying in M.Sc Microbiology first year, same course, and today I am going to present that topic Introduction to Nucleic Acids. In that presentation, we have to see first definition, then types of nucleic acids, then basic structure of nucleic acids, and after that we have to some MCQs on that topic and you have to answer me. That's why please attention towards me and my presentation. Now this is the first slide. What is meant by nucleic acid? We have to see the definition of that nucleic acid. See here, this is the cell, and in the cell there is a nucleus, and in that nucleus there are some acids are present. The acids which are present in the nucleus, that acids are called as nucleic acids. You can see a definition of the acids which are present in the nucleus of the cell are called as nucleic acids. Now I think you all understand what is meant by nucleic acids. Now there are two types of nucleic acids like this here. There are two types of nucleic acids. First is DNA and another is RNA. What is the long form of DNA? Deoxyribonucleic acid.
The spelling of
Why this is a maybe possible there are some mistakes in spellings, but please attention towards my presentation. It's my fault because totally I am studying in Marathi medium. That's why. Okay. So DNA, long form of DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid. Why we write here deoxy? Because in the structure of DNA, oxygen is not present. It means absence of oxygen. That's why we call deoxyribonucleic acid. And if you think about the second nucleic acid, that is RNA, the long form of RNA is ribonucleic acid or oxyribonucleic acid. Now you can clearly see the difference between the RNA and DNA. The main difference is that in the DNA, oxygen is not present, that's deoxy. And in RNA, oxygen is present. That's why we write here oxyribonucleic acid. Understand? Now the second slide is that, see here, if you think about the structure of DNA, this is the DNA and you all know that because from the 8th class we studied about DNA. So this DNA is made up of nucleotides. If you think about the nucleotides, is made from the three substance, that is pentose sugar, second one is nitrogen base, and the third one is phosphoric acid. If you think about the nitrogen base, there are two types of nitrogen bases. In that, first one is purines and the second one is pyrimidines. And pyrimidines again are of two types. I mean there are two nitrogen bases which are known as purines, that is adenine and guanine. If you learn the DNA, then here it is not present, that is adenine and guanine. Adenine is indicated by capital A and the guanine is indicated by capital G. Again, pyrimidines are cytosines and thymine. Cytosine is indicated by capital C and thymine is indicated by capital T. Now, this structure of this, the model of this DNA is proposed by Watson and Crick, these two scientists who discovered this structure, and this structure is known as double helix. That means it is made by the two standard DNA. It is the two standard DNA. That's why this structure is known as double helix structure. You have to remember all these things because the same slide I will show you again, but that is of RNA. Now here, what is the difference between the DNA and RNA? Second difference. First difference is that what is the first difference? First difference, oxygen presence or oxygen absence. Now the second difference is that now here, if you think about this nitrogen bases, in that adenine, guanine, cytosine and thymine, there is a difference that we have seen in the next slide, that is here. Now again, RNA is a second nucleic acid which is single stranded. DNA is the double stranded and RNA is the single stranded. Now RNA also made up of nucleotide. Again, there are three content in the nucleotides, that is ribose sugar. There is a pentose sugar in the DNA. Here is a ribose sugar and then nitrogen bases and phosphate molecules. Here also nitrogen bases, but there is a minor difference, that is nitrogen bases again divided into two parts, that is the purines and the pyrimidines. Purines are again adenine and guanine, and pyrimidines are cytosine and uracil. But there is a light difference, that is in the DNA there is a thymine, and in RNA there is a uracil. This is the second difference in the RNA and DNA. Okay. Now and RNA is a single stranded. After that, we are going towards the MCQ. I think you well understand my concept and my content. Now there is a question for you. The first question is, which sugar is present in DNA? Pentose sugar, lactose sugar, galactose or maltose? Is there anyone who can? Yes. Pentose sugar. Very good answer. Okay, clap for them. Thank you. Now the next question for you, that is structure of DNA is dash dash. Yes. Double helix. Everyone know about this, but this is the format of representation. And third one is structure of DNA is discovered by Watson and Crick. And the fourth question is that which of the following is not a nucleic acid? Which of the following is not nucleic acid? First one ribonucleic acid, second deoxyribonucleic acid, again carboxylic acid, and all of the above. Carboxylic acid. Very good. Now the last question is choose the incorrect pair of the following. Choose the incorrect pair. Here adenine is paired with thymine. Now I have to clear some doubts. Here. म्हणजे माझं विसरलो, sorry. In RNA or DNA, adenine always paired with thymine, and guanine always paired with cytosine. Okay, so in this way, in RNA,
enable editing का okay हमारे वर्तुल enable editing का वर्ती enable editing वर्ती right
editing slide show double tap
अरे enable editing का show होता नहीं.
Okay, wait. In RNA, adenine paired with uracil and guanine paired with cytosine. That means guanine always paired with cytosine. But there is a difference that only adenine in DNA paired with thymine and in RNA paired with uracil. Okay, this is the difference. Now the last question is that
नहीं हो.
हाँ. रवि ते यूज करना.
माउस. This is the last question. And question is that adenine, choose the incorrect pair. Adenine paired with thymine, guanine paired with cytosine, adenine paired with uracil, and none of these. Yes, none of these. In this way, you give me a correct answer. That's good. Thank you so much.